So earlier in the fall I blew out the rear shock on my bike. Oh!
Okay.
Yep, I just lost my balance a little bit. Okay, first thing I'm going to do to this bike, which I probably should have done back out in the shed, is take the fuel tank off so I don't have fuel sitting here in the basement. Don't exactly know what's going on with this thing, but it was like this when I bought it. Tank never seems to fall off or have any issues, so I haven't done anything about it yet. It might be a 12 actually. No, it is a 10. Looks like my fuel line was about to fall off. It's been leaking too. Just leave that there. Alright, this can go back out to the shed. Wow, that's a mess. Looks like my best bet at this is going to be taking the subframe off. So I'm going to start with that. First try. I'm not actually sure that this needs to come off to get the subframe off, but I'm just going to start peeling stuff and see what happens. Put these back in before I forget where they go. That is a 12. It's in there good. Looks like that'll come out without taking this guard off. Yeah, okay. Get the other side. So I can get a full spin on. That's nice. Let's see what holds this on. Alright, this is probably going to come off. And you got a bunch of connectors in here. Just undo all these. This one's just extra stubborn, I guess. There we go. Okay. Take this off, get it out of the way. So this intake tubing needs to come off somehow. Looks like it's molded into the box there, so it's got to come off down here. I need to go get my JIS out of the shed. Back with the JIS. Oh, there we go. That's moving now. It feels like, oh, got one more bolt here. Not enough juice. Okay, looks like the brake master still needs to come off. Come on. Okay, subframe is out. That wasn't supposed to happen. Okay, you can stay. Okay. Pull these back even further out of the way. Maybe. So do I push this or pull? There we go. I guess I'll just start with this. Not as tight as I thought it'd be. Okay. It's got some tension on it. I need to take the preload off this spring. So I need to go grab my tool for that. That should work. Sure don't give you a lot of room to work in here. Alright, that feels like it's just about free. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah. What happens now if I just turn this? Yeah, there we go. Come on. Okay. Nothing. There it goes. Oh, okay. So the weight of the tire and swing arm is actually holding downward tension on it. That's what was putting the resistance on there. So that's out now. So now I gotta figure out this linkage, it looks like. And this nut here looks to be right out in the open, easiest to get at, so I'm going to start here. Oh, that's an 18. There we go. And I'm guessing the little impact's not going to have the power for that one either. Probably should just go get the big impact, but I'm getting sick of tool runs. Looks like I am going back outside for more tools. Oh, I left my flashlight in the house. Let's see if I can find this in the dark. There's one thing. Impact sockets. $19. Is that gonna fit? Ooh. Yeah, try 8. Oh, those are 1/4 inch. Oh yeah, all dirty inside. Do I want to take the chain off right now? Let's see. Oh, okay, we're good. Hopefully this ratchet holds up to the big 1/2 inch Milwaukee. Okay. Oh, no problem. Yeah, now this is going to be annoying. Seems to be coming out. That's good. Yeah. Okay. Wow. This stuff is just gross. I hope I don't have to take the whole swing arm off to do this. Just won't quite fit in there. If I take this chain guide off, I think that'll give the chain some more clearance to slide down. Did I get the clearance I needed though? No. Let's just try. Okay. Is it spinning on the other side? Yes. Okay, yeah, that's at 14. Let's try this again. Yeah. Same way as the others. A little push from this side while I turn with the impact. Maybe. There we go. Okay. Yeah. We're free. Ooh. That bearing's pretty bad. Guess I neglected this bike a little more than I thought. That bearing doesn't feel bad, but I'm gonna pull it out anyway. Considering the state of the rest of this bike, I gotta figure out a way to put both my headlamp and the GoPro on my head at the same time. So this stuff is kind of annoying to work on otherwise. Okay, so I need to go get wrenches out of my truck. Interesting, there's a washer here. I don't remember there being one on any of these other linkage bolts I pulled out. Wonder if that's intended or if previous owner has something to do with that. Go ahead and take this apart. This is not going to be easy without a vise to hold it down. There we go. Gotta be about time to start throwing stuff in the ultrasonic cleaner. Bearing actually doesn't look too bad. Feels good. So does this one. Surprisingly, they're not chunky. They move smooth. They're not too loose. Oh, okay. This one's never mind on that one, but